In this video, I'm going to show you two ways on how to use copyrighted music on your Instagram videos or on your YouTube videos without getting into any kind of copyright problems. Hi, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, before we start the video, make sure you drop a like on the video, and if you're new to my channel, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, people and other YouTube gurus tell that you can use 5 seconds of the copyrighted music, or you can use 10 seconds of the copyrighted music, or any other desired length they suggest. Guys, there's no way you can use a copyrighted music without getting into trouble. Even if you use 1 second of the copyrighted music, it's still copyrighted. Guys, people tell that edit the speed of the music or edit the pitch of the music so that you won't get caught. Guys, if you get caught, you will get into so many copyright problems, and even you can lose your Instagram account or your YouTube account. Step number 1. Guys, you can find non-copyrighted songs from various sources, and one of the sources is YouTube Library. On YouTube Library, you can find hundreds and thousands of songs which are free to use without getting any kind of copyright problems. And you can also find non-copyrighted songs on several YouTube channels which are specially dedicated to provide non-copyrighted songs. And one of that channel, for example, is NCS, which provides no copyright sounds. You can also find royalty-free or copyright-free music on a website called Free Music Archive, where you can find hundreds and thousands of songs which are free to use. Step number 2. The next method where you can find hundreds and thousands of non-copyrighted songs which are free to use in Instagram videos or YouTube videos is from an application called Quick, Clipper, Vismoto, Magisto. So these are the applications where you can find hundreds and thousands of songs which are non-copyrighted and are free to use in your YouTube videos or your Instagram videos without getting any kind of copyright strikes or copyright problems. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. If so, then please do drop a like on the video. And guys, I make all YouTube growth related videos on this channel. So if you're a YouTuber, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.